Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through setting up communication between the CN-8032-L and a Siemens 1200 PLC using TIA Portal. Open TIA Portal, create a new project, and click Create. Go to Project View and add a new device. Find 1214C DC and click Add. Select the PLC and change its IP address to 0.10. Next, let's change the PC's IP address. Go to Network and select Ethernet. Set the IP address, making sure it's in the same subnet. Right now, we're using the 0 subnet. Save the settings. Now go to Options and add a GSD file. Locate the GSD file on the desktop. Select it and click Install. Once the installation is complete, close the window and wait for the directory to update. Once that's done, go to Devices and Networks. Click Other Field Devices, Profinet IO ODOT. Expand the menu, open the C series, and add the CN-8032-L. You can either double-click or drag it in. Now connect the PLC to the CN-8032-L. Select CN-8032-L and change its IP address. Make sure it's in the same subnet. Let's set it to 11. The CN-8032-L supports two ways to assign name. One is via DIP switches, and the other is PLC auto-assignment. For DIP switch assignment, just set the switch to the desired position. For example, set it to 1, power cycle the device, and scan for it. It will automatically detect as CN-8032-1. If you set it to 2, it will be detected as CN-8032-2. Just make sure the device name matches the one used in the configuration. We can open online access. Select the correct network adapter and scan for devices. Find CN-8032-OD and make sure the configured name matches. Uncheck this option. Rename it to CN-8032-OD and confirm. There's another way to rename it. Scroll down under Functions. Enter a new name like ODOT. Then click Assign Name. Once assigned, click Update, and the new name will appear in the scan. We also need to make sure the names match. Another way to do this is by selecting CN-8032-L here and assigning a name. If the name doesn't match in the analysis list, simply select it and assign the correct name. Now, let's add the modules behind the CN-8032-L. This time we have CT222F, CT3238, CT4234. Next, let's compile. Click Download. Search for the device. Start the download. Click Load. Then switch to online mode. Now, the communication is set up and the indicator lights are normal. Now, let's do a quick test. Open up CN-8032-L. Here, we see the CT222F 16-channel digital output module. The address range is from Q2.0 to Q3.7. Let's open the monitoring table. Create a new monitoring table. For the test, we'll add the first channel, 2.0, and the last one, Q3.7. First, let's change Q2.0 to 1. Now, watch the indicator light for the first channel on the module. It's lit up. Let's do the same for this channel. Set it to 1. Now, the indicator light for the last channel is on 2. Next, let's change it to 0. At this point, the indicator lights for both channels have turned off. That's it for this video. Thanks, everyone. See you in the next one.